Hey guys, today I'm going to talk a little bit about kind of being creative or kind of some of the hurdles that you might have. So I was doing a little cleaning and I found this, which was on one of my, see if I can do this, the eye focus. I'll probably try to find my face if I stay in the picture. So I found this button that I had on one of my old bags, and it made me think of this a video I watched a while back. Probably can't find it now, but it wasn't specifically about photography, but it was about being creative in general. Uh, and the presenter's kind of point of view on it, in a sense, was kind of it rang true with things that I thought too. Was that a lot of times when you want to do something that is a creative endeavor, whether it be like being a photographer or a painter or a writer or a filmmaker or a model or an artist of some sort, of singer, or actor, you're often met by a lot of negativity. Part of it is the let's say it's your parents, right? When you're younger, part of that is that they're nervous. They want to make sure that you have a chance, a good chance to be successful, and these things are risky. So they're, or maybe it's by teachers. You should have a backup plan. This kind of stuff. You get that a lot, but ultimately, as you kind of progress through life, when it's your peers, you really have to start to question like what their motive is to kind of put down your idea that you want to do this. Here you are working with people in an office, whatever, blah blah, and you say, hey, I have a hobby where I like to bake. I think I'm going to start selling my cookies in a street fair when the summer comes or whatever. And nobody makes money off that. Oh, it's so hard to do. Oh, you got to be careful. You're going to get in trouble. Someone's going to sue you. This kind of thing. And I think that part of that brews from the idea that people think like, in a sense, when you go out to do something on your own, when you start a business or you do something artistic, that you are basically, from their point of view, saying, well, you're special. And by kind of just being next to it, I think people then take that as, and I'm not, or you're saying I'm not, or this kind of thing. Psychologically, I don't think people are actually, hopefully people aren't vindictive and thinking this out loud, but I think a lot of people want to do things, a lot of people want to uh, start a business or do something in the arts or write a book or whatever, and they say they want to. It was just ties into my "What do you really want to do?" video I did a while back. And I think what ends up happening is they don't do it, right? They don't do it. They have fear. They have things going on. There's reasons why they don't do it, or maybe they try it and they're not successful. So in a sense, they're pulling you down for that reason, or one of those reasons, even if they don't know it. And because of that, what you really need to do is try to surround yourself with people that are positive about you doing the thing you want to do. When you say to somebody, "Hey, I want to do photography," or "I'm starting to shoot portraits," you want their reaction to generally be, "Oh, that's awesome," or "I need a portrait," or "Oh, that's super cool. I know somebody that blah blah." "Oh yeah, you've always been creative." What you don't want is "Oh, that's a hard business." As soon as somebody takes that direction, you definitely want to rethink kind of your relationship with them, in the sense that like taking advice from them or whatever. Because not to say that everybody should just run out there and spend all their money and try a business, because it might fail. It might fail. I'm not saying it won't, but you're never going to know until you try. And I think that when you try to live a creative lifestyle, you're going to get a lot of people that are going to be negative about it. And what you need to do if you want to have success in this, even success could be a lot of different things for you. Success might just be getting in a show. Success might be just producing stuff that people like. Success might be doing it as a business. To have any level of success, you really need to bring positivity into everything that you do, and the only way you're going to do that is be around positive people. So keep that in mind, that when you're discussing your plans for business, I mean, obviously you need to talk to people that are going to ground stuff in realism. If you say, "Oh man, I'm going to take this studio that's triple what my mortgage is, and I've never shot a picture in my life, and I'm going to start a photo studio," yeah, a good friend should tell you, "Whoa, whoa, 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 whoa." But I'm talking about a more general sense. You want to be around people that are going to help you at least mentally, achieve the things that you want to try to achieve in life. I always find these like bucket list things to be so weird to me, because I always feel like you should just live life. If there's something on that list, then do it. Because if you're not going to just go do it, then you probably don't really want to do it. Find the things you really want to do and do those things. So that's what I think. And never apologize for it. You should not apologize for the fact that you are a creative person and that you want to do something creative. right? That is you. You have the right to do that. You should do it. And now, like I've said a bunch of times, as I'm doing these videos every day, today is the day to do it. Now's the time to do it. Even if right now your income is low or cut off or questionable, if you have time, you can start the steps towards doing the thing that you really want to do. And if that thing that's likely photography is enjoying this page, you can do it. So hopefully everybody's out there being safe and moving forward. I'll keep putting out these videos, as long as we're like this, I mean, not that I'll stop after, but daily anyways, or I'll try to. And yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow.